Hey guys, Miss Steele here. So we are going to do the second snack for Outdoor Fun Week, and it's going to be your marshmallows, your chocolate chip, your cone, and the piece of foil. This is actually for like a campfire on the grill kind of thing, but it also does have the option of using the stove. So we're going to do ours in the oven. Take your cone, put in some marshmallows, and I did see some way creative ones where they put like the little mini peanut butter cups or the some chocolate chips, and they put in the mint, Andy's mints, to give it more of that chocolatey mint flavor. There's all kinds of options. I am filling my cone back and forth. I'm just doing a few chocolate chips, a few marshmallows, a few chocolate chips, a few marshmallows. Okay, so my cone is totally filled. Now I'm going to take my foil and I'm going to seal the top really good. Be gentle when pressing the foil though, because the cone will break. And then I'm going to wrap it completely up in my foil, wrapping my cone all the way up. And then you are good to go. My oven is preheating, and it'll go in there for about 7 to 10 minutes is what it says. And then you're good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in, and then we're still on preheating mode. Set that in there. And like I said, it's about 7 to 10 minutes. Or you can do these on a campfire, like a grill camping out. So kind of cool. And ooey gooey s'mores in an ice cream cone where you can put other fun ingredients in it. So we'll have to see the final product when it comes out.